So today we are going to do fox eyes for this beautiful lady. So we are doing a brow lift with the help of cock threads, pedo threads. So in such a way. So now you people have seen this is a trend right now nowadays, typical fox eyes shape. As you have seen, a lot of celebrities are going for Bella Hadid, Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner and all.
Yeah.
So today we are doing upliftment of her eyebrows from the sideways, from the temporal region, specifically mentioned as cat eyes or fox eyes.
Alright.
And also we are going to do lip fillers.
And Botox as well
Yeah.
on this patient today, right now. So we are basically doing this with what, Dr. Adarsh? With the help of threads. And guys, we use specialized cock threads which are specifically made for eyebrow lift or fox eyes, which last much longer than your mono or your twin screw threads. And the threads that we use are the only threads which are US FDA approved. It's hardly a 10-minute procedure. You just come in this clinic, we give you anesthesia, and we do the threads. It is also popularly known as a lunchtime procedure. It's painless, completely painless, and there is absolutely no downtime. Instant results, and the results last for about 12 months to 18 months. Am I right,
12
Doctor?
to 18 months,
Yeah.
maybe more.
Okay. So, Dr. Adarsh, there is one question which a lot of patients ask me for brow lift specifically. So, they say that, we want to do Botox for brow lift. And, so according to you, what is better and why? Threads are better or Botox is better for brow lift?
So they both work for threads.
I think we also had a patient yesterday who was very much, adamant, and she got Botox done, and you were recommending her to go for threads, I
So
think.
basically, with the help of Botox, you can uplift your eyebrows, but you cannot get any desired direction. Like in this case, person wants specific sideways upliftment
Yeah.
for like fox eyes or cat eyes, whatever you want to say. So this you can achieve it from threads only.
Yeah.
And also we are doing Botox in this particular patient to enhance the outcome, treatment outcome.
Yeah.
So we are doing the combination of pedio threads and Botox for
Yeah.
this thing.
And obviously threads last much longer than Botox does, and Botox is
Right,
not
right.
doing any good. But what the thread is doing is, when it's dissolving, it is doing collagen production, right?
Yes.
So I think what your vote goes for, thread or Botox? I think I know the answer, but still I'm asking again.
Sorry.
For you, what is better for a brow lift? You will vote for Botox or threads?
Any day, anytime, threads.
Okay, so let me clarify this one point, guys. I'm not going to disturb him too much because he's doing a procedure right now. That in threads also, there are various different types of threads. There are, mono threads, twin screw threads, and cork threads. Okay, so mono and twin screw are, if we talk in layman language, they are small threads, which are generally used for eyebrow lift or, for cat eyes. But the thread that we are using a specialized cork thread, which gives us a better pull and which lasts way longer than a mono or a twin screw. Right, Dr. Adarsh?
Yes.
Okay. So is there any downtime of this procedure?
Yeah, there can be a downtime of 3 days, little bit of bruising, but that will get subside sooner.
All right. Any special precautions post the procedure?
Yes, you don't have to massage that particular area vigorously. Avoid excessive rubbing of the face, excessive hot or cold to that particular area. Avoid alcohol consumption for 3 to 4 days.
And the results are immediate?
Yes.
Okay. And where all in which all other places can threads be used?
You can put anywhere in body.
Okay guys, let me have a chat with you. I think he's busy doing his patient, and there are not much interesting questions that I have, because the only question that I have, or all of my patients have, for this bro lift or for the cat eye is Botox versus threads. So I think I'm gonna put a post up soon on Saryu Clinics, on Botox versus threads. But Dr. Adarsh has given you guys his, expert opinion that obviously any day, anytime threads are better option. Not that Botox is bad, but because you will not get the desired lift with Botox, and obviously it's gonna last much lesser than what threads are gonna last. And at the end of the day, threads are gonna be cheaper in the long run. If you see, because threads are going to last you for about year and a half. And we also have a videographer Sahab today, because I haven't gone live since morning, but we have one of the most amazing cases going on right now of a beard transplant and of a burn patient, which I will be showing you people soon. Do you want to see what threads look like? Let me show you. Closer. Yeah. Okay, so after this we are doing the lip fillers and then the Botox. So if you guys have any questions regarding fillers or Botox, you can just DM me or just come back and join our live session again, and I will answer all of your queries. You can see the patient is so comfortable. So as far as cost factor is concerned, guys, it depends on how much lift you need. So it can cost you anywhere, between say 15,000 to 30,000 rupees, depending on the number of threads required. Generally, we like to place two cork threads each. Corks are a bit expensive than mono threads, but then mono are required in a larger quantity as compared to the corks. Vicky Roy, I'm sorry I cannot request you to join the live video. If you have any questions, you can DM me or you can write the question right here, right now. I think that's all for right now, guys. Let me just come back when we are doing the lip fillers. I'm sure it's going to be a more interactive session then. Okay, let the man do his work. Okay guys, that's all for now, and I'll be back in like 10 minutes or so to show you the lip fillers. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye.
We'll be back. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We are going to do lip fillers and Botox on the same patient. Just join in after 5 minutes.